Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how I created this image. So this is just a progress video from begin to end to create this artwork. Now before I get into this video, this is my desk where I work. So it's kinda dark, isn't it? Now I got this new BENQ ScreenBar Plus light. It's really awesome because it protects my eyes from a computer and it has no screen glare. Other than that, it makes my desk look pretty cool. So guys, protect your eyes from your screen, especially if you're working a lot of hours in front of your screen. Some other features this light has. It has an auto dimming function, so I just press the button on the remote, and because it has a sensor, it automatically adjusts the brightness to my room. You can also adjust the brightness and color temperatures yourself. It has 8 color temperature levels, which you can easily control with the remote. This light can easily be attached to any monitor. It doesn't require space on your desk and is wireless because it has USB power. I will put the link in the description of the video in case you want to get this lamp. Now let's get into this video.